Hello everybody, welcome to the launch of our fabulous new Two Red Robins collection, and we are bringing you Wash Day. So this is where all our lovely characters have got all their bedding in for being washed. So their blankets and things like that, they're you know, like you get your little dog beds and things. So we're washing the laundry and we're here to help them along. Maybe even tell a little story as we do this. So I can remember lots of wash days with my mum. Hanging out the laundry and things like that. Did any of you make a tent with the sheets over the line and hold it down with bricks and do camping on the back garden? I bet some of you did. So here we have our beautiful new collection. So first up, we have our wash basket. How fabulous is this? But in Two Red Robins style, it's obviously nested. Of course it is. Look at the fabulous artwork that we've got as well. All this laundry, all spilling out, ready to be hung out on the line. So you are getting all of these different sizes, even down to a teeny weeny one. And obviously when you get something like this and you get the nested sizes, you've got the ability to alter your creativity. You've got more scope and more places to go, because it could be the largest one is your die shape, your actual card blanket itself, possibly. And then the teeny weeny ones and all the ones in between build the perspective for your actual projects. So there we have our washing basket, either as imagery, and they're the white cuts. So maybe this is your blank. You can still get plenty of writing on there if you turn that into a card blank. We have Briar. Look at him. Isn't he just adorable? There he is with his clothesline. I can't tell whether he's jumped up and he's pulling something off or whether he's actually putting laundry on. I think with his striped jumper, he might be putting that on. So there's our lovely Briar, and he's got reverse reflection. Of course he's got reverse reflection, because this actually sings of having that reverse reflection, being able to see from both sides, some beautiful projects you can make. There's Briar. Then we have Wash Day, of course. So what have we got with Wash Day? We've got our little characters, and all of our little characters have been made to sit inside the laundry, which is super, super cute. So the little chick's eggs, if you snip into the waistband of certain elements, he'll sit with his legs dangling through. Or maybe the little rabbit that is hanging on here, or within the baby grow. And obviously the little duck, mallard, isn't it? That's a Mr. Duck, that one. And then we've got the little teeny weeny little characters. So you can even have those in the socks or is sat inside the little gloves, along with the actual pole for your washing line, and of course the line itself. Then moving on. Oh, very cute, isn't he? I've got to put him like that because he's actually hanging onto the line. So he's been pegged and he's holding on with his little paw and his ear because he's been through the wash. Isn't he adorable? So, you know, new baby, new arrival, things like that, that would be fabulous on, especially with all the lovely little laundry that we've got going on. Lovely little cat collection. Lovely lavender. Again, super, super dye, beautiful colouring. Cut it out in white. Change the colouring of the actual lavender into pinks or something. You've got a totally different flower. It does not have to stay purple. But again, adding so much height and depth and definition to your cards by using that. Then this is one of my favourites, the blooming corner. This is going to create a fabulous corner. Flip it round and have it as an opposite, or make an entire frame using this. It's going to be stunning on all of your elements. I do have a sample to show you where they've used it like that. And then this is the collection all together. So look at how many dies you're actually getting within our lovely Wash Day collection. Shall we show you a couple of samples? Because the design team found a little bit of fun using this. Here we have, let's stand that one up. We've got this one. This is our Kath. Our lovely Kath does us some beautiful samples. And this is the one I was telling you about. So look at that blooming corner. It's not a corner anymore. It's a fabulous, frame. And hasn't it framed that beautifully? We have got a little bit of the lavender in the background, lovely washing line, and then we've even got that lovely little character, the little rabbit, sat amongst all those washing baskets. Fabulous. Love that one. Thank you, Kath. Then we've got, again, this one's Kath. Kath's been very busy. Thank you. We've got the standalone one. So look what's happening here. Oh, my word. So the lovely Briar at the top really got the work cut out on this one. So there's the washing line. We've got our mallard that's helping hand, hopefully. And then we've got our lovely teddy bear that's nested in amongst everything else. And then all the other characters. So we've even got, look, he's there, look. He's just hiding. All sat together. And then in addition to this, not only have we got the teddy bear, etc., we've got all the other laundry. So we've got gloves, socks, baby grows, other jeans are all just spilling out on this one. Just a super cute card. And then finally, using our foundation dies, there we go, our fundamentals. Aren't they just beautiful? Again, lovely Briar in the background, hanging out the laundry. Have you spied this cheeky little chap here, sat on top? He's a bit naughty. And how about the little mouse in the glove further down? Aren't they just adorable? It creates some beautiful scenes and imagery that, again, you will be able to work beautifully with everything else. You do get a class with all of this as well, because you don't get just the MCS that we've got going on, and you don't just get the dies or the SVG files. You get everything. So this is what we created with the whole collection. So this is the class. Okay, so when you get this, if you buy it with the class, this is what you're going to be able to create. Beautiful tunnel card. Can you see right back there? Can you see him? Little rabbit looking through. So that's what you're going to be able to make when you actually get this. And you get the class. So where shall we go next? Well, let's go to the PC, because I did say we do get our Minecraft Studio. It will wake up in a second, I'm sure. Ta-da! In Minecraft Studio for wash day, you're getting your digi-stamps, you're getting your reflections, you're getting your scene building, which is the important bit. You're getting your scenes and together with those textures. And I'm going to say the texture is a lovely linen Hessian pattern, which is just beautiful. The scene is wonderful, and as always, you're going to get it in A4 and you're also getting it in A5. And in the class, I did say I actually quite like that way round, even though obviously you rotate it. I wouldn't mind using it like that, because even though it's a tree, it doesn't have to be a tree. We can use it as a shrub. And then in the scene building, you've got all of your characters. So you've got Briar, you've got the little rabbit, the teddy bear, you've got the smalls or the largers in my case. We've got all the little animals, our mallard, say hello to our mallard. And again, you can have them sat, put him some largers on. Look at that. How funny is he? And then let's see if we can put the little mouse in the sock. Oh, not quite. We'd have to snip some away and actually get him to sit in the sock. But how adorable. I bet we could get the chick in the smalls. Let's order, bring forwards. Oh, bring to front I should have done. But we're going to go order, centre back. There he is. There's that lovely little chick sat within those smalls. So again, fabulous lots that you can actually work with. You can make some beautiful projects, again, within the class that I've done for you. I go through a few of the imagery and how you can build that up. And then, as always, as you know, with the SVG files, you're going to get those 3 different sizes, which help you create phenomenal projects, together with the reverse reflections, which is something that you cannot do with the dies, and you can't resize the dies either. And in addition to that, you get all of the decoupage for all of the elements that you use on there. So that is our lovely Wash Day launch collection. I hope you're going to enjoy it just as much as I have, and obviously the design team have had so much fun with this one. And we'll see you all next time. See you soon. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.